August 17th, just following up on Tesla, showing you I had to end up with a small overall gain on the position. I actually scaled out up here on the last video, and when it came down pretty hard, I just exited the second half of my position at 23.01. I think I bought it at 24.60, so lost about a 0.50 on that, but I sold the first half of the position at like close to 33, so made about 9 points on that. So overall, a nice gain overall, but I just had to, kind of break even on the second half of the trade, just given we're coming down to the close. And now when I look at the chart on the daily chart, I kind of discussed how we were coming up to the midpoint of that bar. That sort of was the target on this type of price action for today. I didn't expect this type of sell-off, but you never know, and that's why you scale out to reduce risk. Now we find out, do we end up with a doji bar here and we look to tomorrow, or is it a big shooter bar and we continue lower? If we end up with a closed this type of thing, then I want to see tomorrow starting above the halfway point of this bar with good 15-minute price action to attack these highs, and I could re-enter long again looking for a target up here and even beyond. So we're just going to have to see, and this is kind of what I thought might develop today overall. When we started down, we'd have a down day, maybe close a little stronger and then look to buy. So whatever it is, it's still an up environment. I'm looking for a 2-up type of day to really buy. This was a reversal type buy that worked out in the short run. For a small gain. I was hoping maybe it could be a little bit more, bought it, calls here, scaled out here, and then kind of broke even on the second half. So now we just kind of watch, tomorrow's price action. If we can stay above the midpoint of today's action, start higher with a good 15-minute opening, that should then, lead us to taking out today's high, and then, eventually the high from 2 days ago or 3 days ago, this kind of area. So still want to pay bias to the long side on Tesla, but you never know, and we're heading much lower here, so we might actually be breaking down a little bit in the days ahead. So until price action kind of leads us up, we'll continue to just watch it closely. But today anyway, decent short-term trade. Could have been a little bit. I was hoping for a little bit more of a potential rally to the upside, but you just gotta go where price action gives you, go wherever price action takes you, and then apply risk management. So that's what I did here, and we'll see how Tesla opens tomorrow.